Want to transform ordinary photos into breathtaking AI art that truly captures your vision? Let's dive into how to use reference images within Leonardo AI to guide your creations. First, make sure you are logged into your Leonardo AI account and navigate to the image generation page. This is where the magic happens. Next, find the image to image, or similar option it might be called, Reference Image. Click on the upload icon and choose the image from your computer that you'd like to use as a reference. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see it displayed now, the crucial part, the text prompt. Be very specific in your prompt, describe the elements you want to keep from the reference image, and clearly state what new elements you want to add or changes you wish to see. Fine-tune the strength of the reference image. This setting controls how closely the AI adheres to your uploaded image. Higher strength means a closer resemblance. Lower strength gives the AI more creative freedom. Adjust other settings like resolution, number of images to generate, and any style presets you desire. Then, hit the Generate button and let Leonardo AI work its magic. Review the generated images. You'll see how the AI has interpreted your reference and prompt. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts, strength settings, and styles until you achieve your desired result. That's all there is to it.